So that is a pretty big box, but we all know what's inside. So let's just not wait too long and open it up. This is a Killerbody Alfa Romeo 8C with all the details. I bought it second hand. It is still new, but the plastic bag is a bit damaged, crooked. Let's open it up and see what the body looks like. I don't know. This looks like a hood ornament or something. I don't know. Needs to be painted. I believe this is the front grille or bumper that can be added to the body. With the canards, the mirrors, some details, wind wipers, the lights, exhausts, details, more lights. The instruction manual. Don't need that. And of course all the stickers. Yeah. So Killerbody released this Alfa Romeo body about 7 years ago, and I assume that the previous owner bought it instantly and then put it on a shelf, and that's where it stood until a few days ago when I bought it from him. Looking at the body looks pretty good. The protective foil on the outside of the body still looks great. Here and there are some damages, but I don't think the body itself is damaged or scratched. I'm really happy with the body, but the only problem now is I don't have a car to put it on. So that's my next goal, to find a car to put this on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.